Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the inspirational and controversial life of Robert Mugabe. Born on February 21, 1924 in what was then southern Rhodesia, Mugabe's journey from a rural upbringing to political power is nothing short of extraordinary. Let's start with his early life. Growing up in a modest family, Mugabe faced the challenges of colonial education. But instead of letting those hurdles hold him back, he excelled academically and snagged a scholarship to study in South Africa. It was there that the seeds of African nationalism and socialism took root in his mind. Those ideas would go on to shape his entire political ideology. Fast forward to the 1960s. Mugabe joined the Zimbabwe African National Union, or ZANU, and quickly rose as a prominent leader in the fight against British colonial rule. His passion for liberation was fueled by a desire for equality and self-determination for the oppressed black majority. He spent years in exile, advocating tirelessly for the cause and gaining international support. Then came 1980, a landmark year. After a long, grueling struggle, Zimbabwe achieved independence and Mugabe became the country's first prime minister. Initially, his leadership was celebrated. He promoted reconciliation between different ethnic groups and focused on critical areas like education and healthcare. His government even implemented land reforms aimed at redistributing land from white settlers to black Zimbabweans. This move resonated deeply with many who had long been marginalized. But as the years went by, Mugabe's rule took a dark turn. His leadership became increasingly authoritarian. Economic mismanagement, corruption, and human rights abuses began to overshadow his early accomplishments. The land reform program, which started as a noble endeavor, spiraled into chaos and violence. And yet, despite the controversies, Mugabe remains a complex figure. To some, he's a hero who fought for his country's independence and uplifted the oppressed. To others, he's a cautionary tale of how power can corrupt. His life story is a potent reminder of the thin line between heroism and tyranny. So there you have it, Robert Mugabe, a man whose life story is as inspirational as it is controversial. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the lives of political figures. See you next time.